Anyway, Honorable Mrs. Ruth Osahon Okungwe, the Executive Chairman, Esan West Local Government. When I passed through Igwebe College of Education, maybe primary school where Ugyogba, maybe secondary school where Ugyogba. Then when I Igwebe College of Education, MC or MEM. We Esan West Local Government. Back woman. Back when my way as a political appointee, make it the executive chairman of Esan West Local Government. Then we have 10 wards. 10 wards, Esan West. Then in that 10 wards, we have the councillors representing each ward. Then I'm me sunu with ward. Councillors Ikadari Edo Tamimawe Gibesunu. Then the chairman, many chairman may take it. Medo set investigate, medo kade matter no, then man handle it. Then secondly, the Esan West Local Government, we are close to, we especially the chairman is associating with the people of Esan West. Why? Because if you have any issue, anami issue ribo problem ribo, maya karu level de. Other my phone they will call me where I am na dia re go so no. Chairman get be me pass through. Though ma will get go handle. Then secondly, I may be so no edeni. Then campus Arewa community here student na me program. A police must settle Amami no settle because the executive chairman is the chief security. Then when I invited police, invited the student TV, the Fulani, the Hausa, they came. So then I resolved with the issue. The crisis neither honia face, neither honia hon, either honia bulemi, and we have in a council here, we have my diario, and I resolved with the issue. Here will not settle. And then secondly, we are talking. Who are we market women? We are relating together. Ami amebayo metia me she hawo sikoko mahiawo mawo we na kugbe bi oloje awe mi edeni make it the number one person no kada ribani. That is the way of relating with people. My office is always open for everybody who want to come. We can't have issue, I will let them come here and say come you discuss it. Where very worry or discuss it or discuss it because why? They are my people. I believe that I'm the number one citizen of Esan West Local Government. I have every responsibility to absorb many people. Mabia mawoti kegbe baby mi hiawo. Wadoga kiena we kuri be kiyo. You see say they will run. Market women go do me where ikuwo when they hiawo. Boy hiawo go do bio mago we mogbe maya bio because egbeni mare sikugbe because my office is always open for everybody. Thank you very much. That is the good relationship we have. Through the councillor, we get information from the ward. But if you say me Ekpoma, they always come to me. My office is open for everybody. I say me urban area. Mama get develop like Benin City na no go be open wa be we me so very bo. Wado kade bi ma we ma mu hope nya kere na. O ge vi store ni be bo hewa. Ma wani ave wo ne be ze de be obi mi kere ni mass revenue. We are ashian we wo do kade we egun ya be ha. Ego kaka bogo stumble. So any mama the problem ni ma face. Then we are doing the nigo emebo share winner share mama wo winner the local government. Then my baby where they are where am company no go be polo no seti wa generate revenue ni ma be pray our people na murepo ma mo mama wa go emi no si monye o ewu na na me agele me emi no diara seti wo ni ma we company wa polo I mure Esan West away or in our people na be me winner na be suffer e be here go ya be mege na win na ma be mege man na be get go through revenue. Then be ma depend obi kere store o mana be fie ko be mire vene eve me boshare yo ogoni ebi ma wo gele mama wo face o wo ga my mama oni go ya ni wa wo ive puma all my people, that is what we are suffering. We don't have water. So maybe where the niba hua wo ba setting niba setting hua ba bi bo ba limetamia ne hua nde mo ame nima even man no be bo horo dina our former chairman no carry we man before me kwelare on make effort then winnable but ma ya check come setting winna na re mi amebo tekpo ma owunyo ba hua wo ba hua ni mewo bi ba hua wo ba mo ame ma wo ni dam e mo upo be Esan West before me ko mu he me ka appreciate our governor Godwin Obaseki owo winna be Esan West yupo adogu po be e wa kwa bore ahia our governor our mebo governor Godwin Obaseki o we nu po ni me wo mama wo bo ibi po esori wo no go tai he ladan be especially ekpoma obo wo da wo winna ni ma but you must say you need more. We are like Oliver Twist. We don't tire. We still need more. My ye gualo, ba huna ye. Wo ni mama ye me e gama se be tire no yo wo weri wo. My ye be need the assistant no si no ba huna ba do boni ma e mo pa gele wo hard. Epo makpa egege ha wo ni. Le baby ba huna wo. Ni ba ri obo. Ba hua ni ba support ba hua ba ri ba da mi pa ri bo 24 hours ma wa mu pa ma ho ni ma wo ni dia pa ga ri wa yo sha ani ba ri awe mi we do ka de ni me na de all those weather na we do ka de me be ri awe na they will be very happy. The problem where my wo selo bo abi first of all let me appreciate God because ni mere since I came in me want say mama experience where agbo level have Esan West where all Fulani has me wo agbo level maga me iloki no diary but mama me say the experience where ge iga kinapuevo but some people came to my office either complain where ge the way Hausa coming to Ekpoma in front of Hausa to Ekpoma is not okay where Emma so better yeah I mean better handle this issue now because although I be calling peace and security meeting so me na better handle this issue I mean okay what I will do either invite Hausa either we Hausa where ewo negbe nebo re then DPO Arwebania, DPO Rekme and Ekpoma. Some other stakeholder, either Tia meet either where it is so that way Nimagwe registration, biometry. Then yes, is okay, even me, I'm a planning where vigilante because they don't take care of vigilante before. Vigilante, they know better than. Because he said vigilante, that's when you have hunter, even relative doctor are there. There are different groups that made up civilian vigilante. They know in and out of the Ekpoma. So, may I try to make the area every month so that I will empower them. Now I mean they will take the work effectively. Then the thing is that may I don't meeting. Inside that meeting, then when I do invite all the vigilante, when I do near before I came in, when I do near where people there or not, it is that time where they have been doing it, they volunteer to be working for Ekpoma. That even one of them who donated their boss, they were very happy when I invited them. That I even invited, I know that they have existing, so they are happy. They were happy. They are ready to work with me. We have forwarded the name to the state too. I asked for the name. We asked to forward their names. When I forwarded me, and when I forward the state, Nelly Mabe, my key vigilante, ni Mamobe Ekpoma. this road no always be mama bad but it ever time before I came in they said they have been kidnapping people at Idoa road and this who here left before I came in. That is what they discussed because they said the thing have reduced now. Secondly, we discussed because this issue caused there was a problem between Arewa community and the students, which I've mentioned little. They were planning to protest against the local government that the way Hausa coming to Ekpoma is much. So I invited them for a meeting. I invited the students, inati the students, inati the Arewa community. Then either way based on the bodana either resolve with the issue, either way or eken or go Hausa. Then because of my pay, ina do advice ina we Hausa amuwe okay can we pay. Ina we Hausa before we more than go in crisis no ga the na me crisis do arrive east and west. Edi me don't find that me na we Hausa me na do no me na we be mama sunu na na me we gbe ni barere. I ma tanu ge ba wo re do pakire. Then some Hausa na we ge bo ho we so nere here we Hausa. Eba ni Kogiji, eba ni Fulalije, eba ni other states, not Nigeria, but they will classify all of them as an Hausa. Where they when be Hausa, they don't really get problem. Then now say okay, a man discuss, a man agree where we will take biometric registration. Then the registration, the council will be involved. The Anawet Bike Rider Association, the chairman, they will be involved. Then the Arewa community will be involved. That is the Hausa. The Benue people will be involved. The Kogi will be involved because they are not only Hausa. Then we will take biometric. And that's what we are working on needs now. We have discussed the vigilante that we'll be giving them, but we have not started. We make plan for them. So that is how we have been handling the situation.